what cases should you consider blurring out sections of your video? First is when you have sensitive content displaying on your video that you don't want your viewers to see. And second is when you have some private information within the section of the recorded video that you want to remain private because you don't know what somebody may use that information for. So how do you do that? Simple. You're going to use VSDC, Free Video Editor, which is an application that you can download absolutely free and use to edit your videos. So if you want to blur out sections of a video, then you'll have to add your video to VSDC or use a video that you had created before. So I'm going to use this video that I created before on how to cut and trim sections of videos. If you have not watched that, find the link in the description. So in this video here, I have a number of parts here. I have text, I have this video here, then I have another image at the end, and the voice. So the voice, I can't do that sort of blur, but let's try first. So let's say, for instance, I wanted to blur this video here, the main video, that is the recording of the VSDC workplace. What I will do is I will click on it. I have to select it. Then there is always this basic effects here. In most cases, you'll find that it's hidden. What is normally displayed here is the properties window, and so you have to make sure that the basic effects window is also shown here. So what I'll do, I'll come up to this section under view and then click on the arrow below basic effects and select view hide window, and then you'll notice that this window has appeared here. So what I will do with this window here is that I will use some of these features, and right now we are looking for the blur option. So let's drag it to somewhere where we can see a bit of content. So like in this case, we have this here. So if I want to blur this video here, or the image in the background, I just come to this section and increase this to increase the blur. So you see that I can make it light by just moving it slightly, or I can make it completely blurred by moving it to the very end. It's around 254. But if I just want it to be slight, I just move it that way, or just so that maybe the text is not visible. One thing that happens when you do this is that the whole video selected gets blurred from the beginning to the end. If you look at it closely, you can see that it's blurred. But now if you just wanted to blur a section of it, then it means that you'll have to cut this video or divide it into two. So let me undo this, and then in this video here, I'll click on it, and now under properties window, I'll come and say I'll click on cutting and splitting. Then I'll just add a marker, then move this player control slightly, then add another marker, add marker here, then I'll say apply changes, then click on OK. Then now I'll have three portions of this video. So first of all, I'm going to say choose one portion that I want to blur. So if I wanted to blur this portion here, that's what I'll do. If I want to do it for the first section only, so it's separated by this, let's delete this so that you can see the difference. So there is a space in between these two. So if I want to blur the first portion, I have to split it into two, then do it for only the first one. Now let's move it here so that you can see the blur option appearing. So if I move this, it does it for the background of that section only. So if I want to look at what has happened to this next one, you'll notice that this one has not changed, but it's only this one that has changed. So if I want to undo the blur on that, just move this backwards. Then if you move it back, you'll notice that the background is black and visible. Then I apply on this other one, blur it. So the main thing there is you have to split this into two. Then again, when you click on the blur functionality, it's only applied on the selected item. So in this case, I've selected the video which is in the background, and you notice that the text does not have any effect. If I want to apply the blur on the text only and not on the video, then I have to click on the text, come here and blur it. Same. So that's what you do when you want to blur out a section of a video. You have to trim it, then activate the basic effects window and apply the blur as much as you want, depending on how much you want to hide from your work. So that's all you do when you applying a blur to a video. I hope you find this meaningful, and it helps you create your content and maybe improve that privacy. So thank you for watching, and if you love it, give me a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in the next content.